So why is it that street photographers should be scared? If you're comfortable shooting the streets, your photography is going to reflect that. You'll be comfortable. And this isn't to say you need to be running up to people, throwing the camera in their faces every second you get. We need to be challenging ourselves. We need to have a rigour around our approach. Struggle, pushing through, swimming against the tide of inertia. That's how we develop. Photographers profess to want to improve, but they spend half of their times reading about how to improve, watching videos about how to improve. It's the same as when we read those self-help books. You get to the page when you have to do something, and what do? Well, I'll skip that page. I'll come back to it. You know, intellectual information is useless in the realm of creativity. It's like trying to learn how to ride a bike by reading about it. You can't. One of these days, you got to get on the bike. You'll fall off 2-3 dozen times, but then, in time, you develop a balance, right? It's fear that stops us from moving in a direction of growth. Because there's zero growth without discomfort. Well, we have growing pains probably when we're growing up. It's not by accident. With street photography, if you want to take the kind of photographs that are going to stop people in their tracks, we need to test ourselves, we need to stretch ourselves. It's uncomfortable, of course it is, and there's no shortcut. If we take risks and we're willing to go beyond and push ourselves outside of our comfort zone, then our photography is going to reflect that. So guys, I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you haven't bought my zine yet, The Way of the Street Photographer, you can grab a copy of it on my website, lashmarcreative.com. And it's a juicy little pocketbook full of inspiration. It's going to get you out of trouble when you need a shot of, well, creative inspiration. Just check out the show notes under this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Out.